Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2017 Ford Fusion. This is a hybrid, a beautiful white color, very nice vehicle. This has power seats, locking gas cap, power windows, power locks. Very nice vehicle. It does have a rear camera, all your air conditioning controls, and it does have the rotary shifter, the electronic parking brake, and the eco mode. It does have AM/FM satellite radio with CD player, and it has leather and fabric in the interior. This is a nice 5-passenger vehicle, and if you'd like more information and pricing on this vehicle, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. You'll only find it at Firkins.